Hey Black Barbie, or should I say the eyes of Black Barbie? I'm back again with another video. And today, guys, I have a little something to share. So every time I go to McDonald's, I buy a Frappe, a caramel Frappe, because I like caramel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade Frappe, but the only thing that's missing is I don't have the caramel or the chocolate syrup. The only thing I don't have, but what I do have is the whipped cream. That's the fun part of it, because all I want is my whipped cream. I love whipped cream. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in watching me making my homemade frappe. Okay? All right. Okay, so like I was telling you guys, I'm pretty sure I've told you that I was waiting for the coffee to finish. Now I'm going to show you the next step. I'm going to take the, what's it called? French vanilla ground coffee that I use, and put it in here into the blender, even though it's hot. Okay. And let me see if I got some more sugar, some more creamer. I need some more creamer. It's gonna be amazing. This is gonna be a hazelnut. Yeah, hazelnut / coffee. French vanilla. French vanilla and hazelnut mix. So let me plug this up. Ooh. Alright. Let me turn up the light. Okay. Let's take it back. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but I do know what to do. Okay. Please don't burn my cup. Okay. Got the hazelnut creamer I'm pouring in right now. What else? Some sugar, yeah. Sugar. The next step is the sugar. The first step was pouring the ground coffee inside of the blender. The second step was putting the creamer inside of the blender. The third step is putting the sugar. And this is the first scoop of sugar, or whatever you want to call it. How am I still refilling up? This is going to be amazing coffee. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it up. Well, matter of fact, I'm pour some of it out because it's too much, literally. Just like that. And what I'm going to do is get some ice. What is the frappe without the ice? Please tell me I got more in it. Okay, I got more. I'm going to put some of the creamer in it because I didn't. And I said I was. Okay. Alright. Got some sugar in there. Okay. Ooh. 4 cubes. And I'm just using one. Okay. See you guys in a bit. I'm gonna clean this up and get ready.
Let go, let go, let go.
Let go, man. Let go.
That's killed it. Oh no! There his wheels, quick!
That was stupider than you thought, that, wasn't it?
Fire up, start again.
Right, you're all right.
Okay. Hold on. It takes just about a brief moment just to make it. Hold on. I'm gonna get some more ice. No, I just refilled the ice tray. So you see what I did? I took out first I put everything in the blender. Then I realized it wasn't working out right. So I put it in this cup and I put enough ice in here so it could be chunky and smooth. Okay. Let's just hope that it turns out great. Okay? Let's hope. I'm about to pour mine first. Look at this. Oh, matter of fact, should I use a wine glass for this? Oh my god, hold on. I have to be a little extra. Let me get everything. Who wants some? It would have been nice if I did have the caramel. I like it. Love it. Of course you don't. Come downstairs. It most definitely do. She's gonna tell me how it tastes, and then I'm gonna end the vlog right there, okay? Right there. But where the heck? She must knew it was gonna taste good. Because of that, I'll give it to her. My sister. And she have to have the whipped cream. I am so sorry. Raquel! She thinks she have me. She better come downstairs and come and get it. That's how good it is. A little bit. Putting this in the fridge for more for later. Okay, so she expect me to bring this to her. I'm gonna bring it to her just for you. You couldn't see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, and that'll be a wrap for the day. Yay! Vlogs, how it tastes?
Oh, it tastes real good.
Really good. It's hazelnut, and she likes it. So everyone, you got y'all. I got your answer. Next time, and please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you like vlogs like this. And if you find this vlog very interesting, hit the like button and share it with anyone who you think that might like it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.